Hello guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Illustrator and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I want to do today, guys, is show you how to create a watercolor brush in Adobe Illustrator. Brushes are very, very cool, and if you can know how to create your own, you'll be able to create some really cool, imaginative digital illustrations just using your brushes. Now, what I've done here is simply just copied and pasted an image of a brushstroke from Google. Okay, there's nothing special about that at all. That is literally just an image of a brushstroke. Now, what I need to do first of all is to image trace this particular image, because what I need is to obviously remove the background of the image here. And what I need to do is have like a vectorized element of the actual brushstroke itself. So it's very easy. What you need to do is just come to with it selected, come to image trace at the top of the screen and image trace. Now, by default, what will happen is it will go to black and white. So what we need to do is obviously improve that. So I would now like to get out my image trace window. There's two ways to do it. You can either come to Window, Image Trace, or you can see we have this little icon here. I can just click. Now, like I said, by default, what will happen is it will go to a mode of black and white, which isn't good at the moment for our particular request. So what I'm now going to do is come to our preset option and use high fidelity photo. Depending on the size of the image, this is normal, so just bear with it, and Illustrator will do the work for you. Like I said, depending on the size of it and whatever, and the complexities of your trace, it can be quite a long process. So, but like I say, persevere. And as you can see now, I've traced this. So I'm now going to just close this window. And when I'm happy with my trace, with any image trace you do, at the end is make sure you expand it so then you're able to edit and change it. Okay. So now what I need to do is ungroup everything here. The keyboard shortcut, the right way to do it would be right-click, ungroup, object, ungroup, or as you can see, the keyboard shortcut to do that on a Mac is Shift-Command-G. On Windows, that would be Shift-Control-G. So let's ungroup now. Let's see if I can select that background there. I think I need to ungroup again. So right-click, ungroup. Let's take the background and delete that. Now what I'm going to do is just use our rectangle tool and create a black rectangle just so I can see the white elements that are around the brush. I'm just going to right-click and arrange and send that to the back. Okay, so you can see that there's some white bits on this, which we don't want. So I'm just going to come through and remove these elements. There we go. Okay, what I may do as well, actually come through and use our magic wand tool. And what this tool does, this will select pixels, well, not pixels, sorry, because that'll be in Photoshop, but elements that's similar in color to the one that we click. So if I come through here and if I click on the white elements there, too much, we need to come in and zoom a little bit more. And there we are. And press backspace to delete. And as you can see now, all them excess white bits have disappeared. Now, I'm just going to select that black rectangle and press backspace to delete. And now I have this element here for me to be able to use. Now I'm going to just group all these singular elements up here. So we're going to use the keyboard shortcut Command G on Mac or Control G on Windows to do that. And now we need to save this as a brush. So we need to get our brushes window out. So we're going to go to Window, Brushes, and this is your brushes window. What we have are some certain cool little preset ones that are available to us, but like I say, we want to build and design our own. So with this selected, I'm going to come to the plus sign here, and I'm going to choose Art Brush, and we're going to press OK. It's always wise to name your elements, so I'm going to come through and call this the watercolor brush. There we go. And make sure you have stretch to fit stroke length ticked, and we press OK. Lovely. Now, as you can see, there is our brush stroke. So if I now was to delete this, let's use our brush tool here. Make sure that we have that selected, and I'm going to come through and create a brush stroke like so. As you can see, it stretches to fit your stroke length. Really cool elements that you could add with some digital illustrations. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.